Welcome to Study Spectrum TV channel. Today we are going to study very important topic of class 10, simultaneous linear equation in two variables. We have just discussed few graph of linear equations in two variables. So we'll do few more graphs. First graph is another graph is 2h plus 3y equal to 9. What we have done earlier, all we have done is we expressed one of the variable either x or y in terms of other variable. So x we have done x either x in terms of y or y in terms of x. After that, what we have done is we make a table. In first case, suppose this is first case, this is second case. So in first case we put y and we got corresponding x, we got x corresponding to that y. In the second case, we have expressed y in terms of x. So in second case we put x and we got y corresponding to that x. So in first cases we have taken 2y first cases, and in second cases we have taken 2x and we got value of y corresponding to that x. Now we will take another method, another approach to get 2 points. This time we take a new approach to get 2 points. In this new method, you don't have to express either of the variable in terms of other variables. You don't need to express either x or y in terms of y and x respectively. So in this method, to get 2 points, once we take x equal to 0 and we get y corresponding to that x, and for getting second point we put y equal to 0 and we get x corresponding to that y. So we'll take a new approach to get 2 points. So our new approach is, you need not to balance this equation. You need not to express either of the variable in terms of other variables. We are just making a table. In first cases we are putting x equal to 0, and for getting second point we are putting y equal to 0. So when x equal to 0, what will be y? So 2 into 0, we'll put x equal to 0 in this equation, plus 3y equal to 9. So 0 plus 2 into 0 is 0, plus 3y equal to 9. So 3y equal to 9. So y equal to 9 by 3, that is 3. So in for getting first point, we have put x equal to 0 and we got y corresponding to that x, which is 3. Now for getting second point, we put y equal to 0. Okay, so we'll get x corresponding to that y. So we'll put y equal to 0 in this equation. So 2x plus 3 into 0 equal to 9. So 2x plus 3 into 0 is what? 3 into 0 is 0 equal to 9. So 2x plus 0 is 2x equal to 9. So x equal to, here 2 is multiplied with x. When we'll take on another side then it will come in denominator. So 9 by 2 is 4.5. So second point, when y equal to 0, x is 4.5. We have already discussed 2 points are quite enough to draw a straight line. 2 points are quite enough to fix a straight line. So we have got 2 points. Now we can draw a straight line in xy plane. So xy plane, this is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. So now we'll come to points. Here in x we have reached up to 4.5, so we will take till 5. We can take more than 5 to till 6, 7 and 8 is not required, but you can take. So there is no restriction on that. Now in y we have till 3, so we'll show the points on x axis and y axis. So this is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. On y axis we have till 3, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative axis is there is no point, so we'll show to look it beautiful, -1, -2. Now we have 2 points 0, 3. It means we have not moved any unit in x direction, so we are still here, and 3 units in y direction, positive y direction. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the point 0, 3. Now come to the second point. In x we have moved 4.5 unit. So this is the starting of your movement. So 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, but we have to take 4.5. So 4 and 4.5, this is 4.5. And in y we have not moved any, so we are still here. So this point is 4.5, 0. Now what we'll do, we'll make them join, we'll make both the points join, then we'll get a straight line. So we'll join both of the point. So this will be a straight line of equation 2x plus 3y equal to 9. So I hope you must have understood the new approach for getting 2 points. What we have done is, for getting 1 point, first point we substitute 0 and we got y corresponding to that x equal to 0, and for getting second point we put y equal to 0 and we got x corresponding to that y equal to 0. In this new approach we need not to express one variable in terms of other variables. 2x minus y equal to 4. This is of course linear equation, because we have constant and we have a constant multiplied by a variable having power 1. Here is also constant 1 is multiplied with variable having power 1. And the graph of a linear equation in 1 and 2 variable is a straight line. So of course this is a straight line. Now again we'll make a table x, y. For getting first point we'll put x equal to 0, and for getting other points we'll put y equal to 0. So now if x equal to 0, then what will be y? 2, we'll put x equal to 0 in this equation. 2 into 0 minus y equal to 4. So 2 into 0 is 0 minus y equal to 4. 0 minus y is minus y equal to 4. So x equal to minus 4. Now we'll get second point by substituting y equal to 0 in this equation. So 2x minus y0 equal to 4. So 2x minus 0 is 2x equal to 4. Therefore, so x equal to 4 by 2, that is 2. So this is minus 4 and this is 2. Now we have got 2 points, 0 comma what are the points we got? This point is 0 comma minus 4 and this point is 2 comma 0. So we have got 2 points, so we'll draw a straight line on xy plane. So this is x axis, this is y axis, this is x dash, this is y dash or y prime. So in x we have reached till 2 units, so we'll show here 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, and negative direction we have not moved. So, and in negative we have reached negative 4 in y direction. It means we'll show here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and suppose we have shown here 1 and 2. Now we will get the points where it is. So in x this is 0 comma 0. So in x direction we have moved nothing, so we are still here, and in y direction we have moved 4 unit but negative y direction. So we'll 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. This is the point. This point is 0 comma minus 4. Now go for second point. X coordinate is 2. It means we have moved 2 unit in positive x direction. So it is 0, 1, 2. But in y direction we have not moved nothing. We have not moved anything. So 1, 2, and we have not moved in y direction. So this is the point 2 comma 0. Make them join and you will get a line. You will get a straight line. So this is a straight line. 2x minus y equal to 4. Okay. So now we'll move to simultaneous linear equation in 2 variables. How simultaneous linear equation in 2 variables looks like, we'll come to that, because our main concern in this topic is simultaneous equation in 2 variables. So we'll come to that and we'll see how simultaneous equation looks like geometrically or graphically. that simultaneous equation is the system which contains two linear equations. So we have two linear equations, it means it is simultaneous linear equation. To draw simultaneous linear equation into variables, will show both of the line on same xy plane. We'll draw first straight line, and thereafter we'll draw second straight line, but on the same xy plane. Okay. So how we'll draw this straight line? We'll take new approach. We have just discussed about that. So for first we have go for this is, suppose this is A equation and this is B, or better you take this, take L1 and this take you suppose L2. So for line L1 we'll make a table first of all. X, y. For getting one first point, we'll put x equal to 0, and for getting second point, we'll put y equal to 0. Okay. So now our equation is x plus y equal to 10. So we'll substitute x equal to 0 here. So 0 plus y equal to 10. We are discussing here for L1 first of all. Then we will go for L2. So for L1, we are first we are substituting x equal to 0. So we will put x equal to 0 in equation first. So 0 plus y equal to 10. So y equal to 10. So y equal to 10 here. Now for getting second point, we have substituted y equal to 0. So x plus 0 equal to 10. So x equal to 10. Okay. Now we'll come for L2. So for L2, now for L2 we have equation x minus y equal to 4. We'll again make a table. X, y. For getting first point, we'll substitute x equal to 0, and for getting second point, we'll substitute y equal to 0. Now, for getting first point, we'll substitute x equal to 0 in this equation. So 0 minus y equal to 4. So 0 minus y is minus y equal to 4. So y equal to minus 4. So we'll put here minus 4. Now we'll come to get y, we'll come to get x for y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, 0 minus, we'll put y equal to 0 in this equation. So x minus 0 equal to 4. So x minus 0 is x equal to 4. So for y equal to 0, x equal to 4. Now for L1 we have 2 points, 0, 10, and for L2 for L1 second point is 10, 0. Now come for L2 line. There are 2 points here. First point is 0, 4, 0, minus 4, and second point is 4, 0. So we'll draw both of the straight line one by one on the same xy plane. So for x1, for L1 we have point 0, 10 and 10, 0. For L2 we have points 0, minus 4 and 4, 0. Now we'll draw both of the straight lines on same xy plane. So xy plane is here. This is x axis, this is x, this is x dash, this is y, this is y dash. Okay. So for first line we have these 10 units in x direction, and in y direction we have also 10 units. So better we take like this. X dash, this is x. Instead of taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, better you take two units for one length. So for this we will take 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay. Now in y we have also moved till 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is origin 0, 0. Now for second point we have -4. So 1 in y we have -4, -2. -2, -4, and we have 4, 0. In y we have 4, so there is no need. -2, -4. Now come to draw straight line. For L1, first point is 0, 10. So we have not moved any unit in x direction, but we have moved 10 units in y direction. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this point is 0, 10. Now second point is 10, 0. It means x equal to 10. It means we have moved 10 units in positive x direction, and we have not moved any unit in y direction. So for second point 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, but we have not moved any unit in y direction. So this is the point 10, 0. Now make them join. This is L1. Okay. Now go for L2. First point 0, -4. It means x coordinate is 0. We have not moved, and in y direction we have moved 4 units, but negative y direction. So -2 unit, -2 negative y direction. So -2, -4. This is the point 0, -4. We'll move 0 in x direction, and in y direction we have moved -4. It means we have moved 4 unit in negative y direction. So -2, -4. So 0, -4 is, this is the point 0, -4. Now another point is 4, 0. It means we have moved 4 unit in positive x direction. So 2, 4, but we have not moved any unit in y direction because y equal to 0. So this is the point. This is the point 4, 0. Make them join. This is the straight line L2. So I hope you must have understood how to solve simultaneous linear equation 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. And second equation is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. Now we'll do the same thing as we have done earlier. We'll make a table. Suppose this is L1 and this is L2. So for L1 we'll make a table. This is x, this is y. For getting one point we will put x equal to 0, and for getting second point we will put y equal to 0. Okay. So we'll put x equal to 0. First of all, 2 into 0 plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. 2 into 0 is what? 0. 0 plus 4y. Here 12, left hand side it is minus 12, but we'll take this on right hand side, it will become plus 12, sign will change. So 4y equal to 12, therefore y equal to 12 by 4, which is 3. So this is 3. Now we'll come to get second point, where we'll put y equal to 0 and we'll get x corresponding to that one. So 2 into x plus 4, we are substituting y equal to 0, so 4 into 0, this is minus 12, so on right hand side it will become plus 12. So minus, so this other side will become plus 12. So 2x plus 4 into 0 is 0 equal to 12. Okay, so 2x plus 0 is 2x equal to 12. Therefore x equal to 12 by 2, which is 6. Now we have got second point also. So this 0 and x coordinate is 6. So we have got 2 points for line 11, which are 0, 3 and 0, 6, 0. We'll take x coordinate first. So 6, 0. Okay. Now we'll get 2 points for L2, for second line L2. So we'll go for L2 now. So now for L2, we'll again make a table. For getting one point, we'll substitute x equal to 0, and for getting second point, we'll substitute y equal to 0. Now start with putting x equal to 0. So second line is x plus 2y equal minus 4 equal to 0. So on right hand side it will become plus 4. Okay. So we'll substitute x equal to 0 first of all. So 0 plus 2y equal to 4. So 0 plus 2y is 2y equal to 4. Therefore y equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. So x equal to 0, then y equal to 2. Now we'll go for getting second point for L2. So we'll substitute y equal to 0 in this equation, x plus 2y equal to 4. So x plus 2 into 0 equal to 4, which is x plus 2 into 0 is 0 equal to 4. So x plus 0 is x, which is 4 now. So for when y equal to 0, x is 4. So in this case also we have got 2 points, and again I am repeating, 2 points are quite enough to fix a straight line. So for L2 we have 2 points, 0, 2 and 4, 0.